What's up everyone, this is Bill with BLR Tuning. Today for you, I just wanted to do a quick little video and show you guys a couple things on the 2019 Yamaha MT-07. So if you see my YouTube short, this bike is up for sale. It has around 7,800 miles on it. And it does have a full SC Projects exhaust on it. So this is going to be a short video. I just wanted to show this to you guys because we do ECU flash tuning. A lot of people ask these questions. So to get the ECU on this bike, it is right here. Just on the right hand side underneath that right hand panel. Okay, and it is only 2 screws. There will be one up towards the front, one towards the back. That panel is pushed into rubber grommets, so it pops off your ECU right here. So you'll squeeze this tab down, pull this latch back, undo this strap, ECU comes out. That's what you would mail into us. Now, if you're doing the spark plugs on this bike, they're easy to get to the actual plugs on the coil sticks here. Okay, but what's complicated is getting those out. So you have to lift up while a little bit of twisting motion. This one on the right hand side will come up into this hole right there, and then you'll be able to tip it sideways and feed it back out. This one on the other side, you have to get your wrench to get the spark plug out through here. Okay, so right there you can see that's our opening for our spark plug. New spark plug's already in there. So this coil pack has to go back in there. You can drop it in and pull it out off to this side. Again, it has to come up, and then you'll be able to swing it outward towards the right hand side of the bike and get it out of there. So not the easiest thing, but I've seen worse. So it just seems Yamaha didn't really consider somebody changing the spark plugs without pulling the motor. So you have a lot of stuff in the way, a lot of wiring and whatnot and hoses in the way, but it can be done. And you don't have to remove the fuel tank. Like right now, you see I spun it around. So if you spin this fuel tank sitting on here like this, if you spin it to the left-hand side of the bike and backwards, you do not have to unplug. You just set it right in this pocket that's left over here where the seat would have been. You don't have to unplug the main fuel line if you're just doing something like spark plugs. Okay. So anyway, I just wanted to show that to you guys. Real simple little things, but stuff that, some people overlook, gets complicated for people. So we unplugged these wires just to move them out of the way. Just remember where everything goes. Take pictures or take yourself a little video. Anyways, if you're interested in this bike, get a hold of us. We'll get you a price quote and whatnot. We're located right here in Vancouver, Washington. You're more than welcome to come down and check it out if we have it here at our shop. It's not our bike, it's customers, but we told them that we would let people know that it's for sale. Okay, and it's reasonably priced. So if you give us a call, we'll give you the price quote and whatnot. Don't want to put it on the internet because the price may change. We don't know. So again, it's not ours. But if you're interested, call us. The number is at the bottom of our website, along with our email and all of our contact information. It's 360-910-8377 or blrtuning.tech@gmail.com. The website's blrtuning.co. So that's www.blrtuning.co. I'll put it across the screen. 2019 Yamaha MT-07 with around 7,800 miles on it. Okay, here you guys go. We got the Yamaha all back together. You can see we got it wiped down as good as we could. New back tire. Valves look good. New spark plugs. Coolant flush. Oil change. Brake fluid flush front and rear. I don't think I'm leaving anything out. Air filter looks good. So you see, this is a immaculate bike. And like I said, you guys won't believe the price that this thing is going for. So if it's something you're interested in, hit us up. You see it does already have some aftermarket parts. It's got some aftermarket LED lights front and rear. Pueg tinted windscreen. It's got that SC Projects exhaust. $7,800 miles on it, so just under 8,000. Sounds mean, rides mean, making good torque, good power. These Yamahas are known for making a lot of torque. Anyways, just wanted to show that in the video. I'll end it off there. Again, hit us up on our website, blrtuning.co. If you're interested in this bike, reach out to us. I'm sure it'll go quick. Today is January 16th. 2025. Okay, so if you're seeing this video a week from now, it's probably gone.